Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'm doing a long set of acrylic nails and the products I'm using is Cover Rosebud by Young Nails as well as their monomer and my number 12 Penna Kalinsky brush. And I start by picking up a large bead of acrylic and placing it towards the free edge. Then I use the belly of my brush to pat the acrylic in place while I pull the acrylic down towards the tip of the nail. Then I place my next bead of acrylic directly above the first, but this time I use the tip of my brush to feather the acrylic down so it blends well with the other acrylic. Then I just continue these steps as I work my way up the nail. I forgot to mention the tips I'm using today are the extra long square flat tips, and I did purchase these tips from Amazon, and I will also leave a link in the description box below if you're interested in using these tips. I really like these tips. I've used them in several videos and I really just love how they look on my nails. Just a note or, something to keep in mind for beginner nail techs. You want to make sure that you try and keep your powder level before you pick up a new bead of acrylic, because when you place that bead down, you want it to set at an even pace. So if your powder isn't level and you pick up a bead, you could potentially pick up more powder in one place than you need. I hope this makes sense, but yeah, just try to keep your powder level. And you can do that by shaking your jar of acrylic just to make sure it's at an even space, and it'll help you out a lot with your liquid to bead ratio. This bead right here is what a good bead looks like. When you pick it up, it stays on your brush and it changes to this shiny glossy color. And as you see, this bead is easy to work with and it's not drying too fast. I'm using my 80/80 grit nail file to shape these nails. Off camera, I did use my Melody Susie E file and 5-in-1 drill bit to seal the cuticle area. And I can make a detailed video showing how I seal the cuticle area. So leave a comment down below if that's something you'd like to see.
You other way around, but you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it.
And today I'm polishing all my nails with the same color, A15 by Beetles.
You other way around, that you buy where you like it. It's like you to try it. Just relax and let me slip. I'm all keep in between. It again, wait. It again, it again, wait. It again. You other way around, that you buy where you like it. It's like we to try it. Just relax and let it slip. I'm all.
Then I apply a thin layer of the Beetles matte top coat because I've just really been loving matte nails lately. And using my Beetles white gel liner brush, I create a candy cane pattern by drawing a thick diagonal line followed by a skinnier line. I'm using Amigo Blooming Gel that I purchased from Amazon. And I apply a thin layer of the blooming gel to my ring finger. Then I let that product sit for about 5 seconds before I use my ombre brush to add white polish to the nail. Then I paint a snowflake design directly on top of the white polish using the same colors as before. My intent was for the snowflake to appear airbrushed on the nail, and it turned out really, really cute. And these are how the nails turned out. So cute. I love the candy cane design, and this color is so gorgeous matte. Just love it. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.